Entrepreneur and philanthropist Natasha Poonawalla made an appearance at the Met Gala 2022, wearing a gold handcrafted printed tulle sari and trailed by celebrity designer Sabyasachi Mukherjee. Poonawalla, the executive director of the Serum Institute of India, was the sole Indian presence at the gala, organized by the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York on Monday. The official Instagram page of Sabyasachi shared a series of pictures of Poonawalla wearing his creation, teamed up with the Schiaparelli hand-forged metal bustier. The design was part of the Indian Labels Association with Maison Schiaparelli, an Italian brand known for its surrealistic work. The theme of the Met Gala was In America, an anthology of fashion. For me, the sari is a truly unique and versatile garment that owns its identity even as it transcends boundaries and geographies. Back when I was a young fashion student, I often wondered when I would see the sari at a big global event like the Met Gala, Sabyasachi said in a statement shared on Instagram. According to the label, Poonawalla's vision was to interpret the dress code gilded glamour with an Indian gaze that revels in its multiculturalism and authenticity.